Hi everyone. Subject object oriented programming, and the topic is OOPS concepts in Java. So OOPS concepts in Java are the main ideas behind Java's object oriented programming. Object. Any entity that has state and behavior is known as an object. It can be either physical or logical. For example, chair, pen, table, keyboard, bike, whatever it is. Then class and instance. Collection of objects of the same kind is called class. It is a logical entity. A class is a three-compartment box encapsulating data and operations as shown in the figure. Class name, static attributes, dynamic behaviors. A class can be visualized as three-compartment box. First one is name, that identifies the class. Variables contain the static attributes of the class, and methods contain the dynamic behaviors of the class. An instance is an instantiation of a class. All the instances of a class have similar properties as described in the class definition. The term object usually refers to instance. Abstraction. Abstraction refers to the quality of dealing with ideas rather than events. It basically deals with hiding the details and showing the essential things to the user. Abstractions means simple things like objects, classes, and variables represent more complex underlying code and data. It avoids repeating the same work multiple times. In Java, we use abstract class and interface to achieve abstraction. Abstract class. Abstract class in Java contains the keyword called abstract. If a class is declared abstract, it cannot be instantiated. So we cannot create an object of an abstract class. Also, an abstract class can contain abstract as well as concrete methods. To use an abstract class, we have to inherit it from another class where we have to provide implementation for the abstract methods there itself. Else, it will also become an abstract class. Interface. What is interface? Interface in Java is a collection of abstract methods and static constants. In an interface, each method is public and abstract, but it does not contain any constructor. Along with abstraction, interface also helps to achieve multiple inheritance in Java. So, an interface is a group of related methods with empty bodies. Encapsulation. Encapsulation means binding or wrapping. Binding code and data together into a single unit is known as encapsulation. It means to hide our data in order to make it safe from any modification. The best way to understand encapsulation is to look at the example of a medical capsule, where the drug is always safe inside the capsule. Similarly, through encapsulation, the methods and variables of a class are well hidden and safe. Inheritance. This is a special feature of object-oriented programming in Java. It lets programmers to create new classes that share some of the attributes of existing classes. Similarly, in Java, there are two classes. One is parent class. We can call it as superclass or base class. And next one is child class. We can call it as subclass or derived class. A class which inherits the properties is known as child class, whereas The class whose properties are inherited is known as parent class. So this is a pictorial representation. Inheritance, single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. These are the four types of inheritance supported by Java in inheritance. Then polymorphism. Poly means many. So polymorphism means taking many forms. It is the ability of a variable, function or object to take on multiple forms. In other words, polymorphism allows us to define one interface or method and have multiple implementations. Polymorphism in Java is of two types. One is runtime polymorphism and second one is compile time polymorphism. Then characteristics of Java. The important characteristic of Java is simple. Java is easy to write and more readable. Java has a concise, cohesive set of features that makes it easy to learn and use. Most of the concepts are drawn from C++, thus making Java learning simpler. And second important characteristic is secure. Java program cannot harm other systems, thus making it secure. Java provides a secure means of creating internet applications. Java provides secure way to access web applications. Then another characteristic is portable. Java programs can execute in any environment for which there is a Java runtime. Java programs can run on any platform like Linux, Windows, Mac, whatever it is. It can adopt any platform. That is, it is platform independent. Java programs can be transferred over World Wide Web, for example, applets. And it is object oriented. Java programming is object oriented language like C++. Java provides most of the object oriented features. Java is pure OOP language while C++ is a semi-object oriented. Robust. Java encourages error-free programming by being strictly typed and performing runtime checks. And it is multi-threaded. Java provides integrated support for multi-threaded programming. Then architecture neutral. Java is not tied to a specific machine or operating system architecture. Java is machine independent. Then interpreted. Java supports cross-platform code through the use of Java bytecode. Bytecode can be interpreted on any platform by JVM, that is Java Virtual Machine. Then high performance. Bytecodes are highly optimized. JVM can execute bytecodes much faster. Then distributed. Java is designed with a distributed environment. Java can be transmitted over internet. Thank you.